Y'all already know the vibe, man. It's Bride V, TV, vlogs, tapping back in, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, today what we're gonna be doing is, I pretty much went ahead and bought me another RC car, you feel me? It's actually called a Traxxas Nitro Rustler. So yeah, the other one was the Jado 3.3, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting real addicted to these RC cars, y'all. So as y'all can see, we got the brand new Nitro Rustler, you know what I'm saying, gas RC car. And we got the Jado right here, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we just gonna be pretty much breaking in the motor and doing a little tuning on the Rustler. The Jado still, you know, is pretty good for now. But yeah, I'm just gonna walk y'all through and show y'all the difference between the Rustler and the Jado. You know what I'm saying? The first difference is it only got three little brackets. You know what I'm saying? The Jado got 4. Yeah. Got pretty much the same color too. Red on red, but this one got more red and orange. That one is just more red and black. But as y'all can see, this is how the Rustler is looking. You know what I'm saying? Frame looks pretty much different. It got the dirt tires in the back though, ready to kick up some grass, you feel me? I already went ahead and put gas in there, so we pretty much just gotta start the engine and give it a little tuning, and then the electric start hook up back here instead of on top like the Jado. And then engine wise, this is a 2.5 engine and the Jado is a 3.3. You know what I'm saying? Jado 3.3, as y'all can see right there on the side. So the Jado is pretty much a little faster than this Rustler right here. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try to start it up, y'all, and see how she sound. Yeah, so we're gonna try to crank it up real quick, see what's going on. I think this one is a little different. I think the controls is not hooked up to the controller. Hold up. Let's see what's going on real quick. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Wow, still not hooked up. No. I have to hold this button. We're gonna do it one time. Hold this button, turn the switch on. Okay. Then you wanna hold set button, turn this one on. There we go. Oh man, but it's working backwards, y'all. The throttle is working backwards. So I'm gonna have to reset the throttle real quick. Let's see if it crank up though. That's crazy. steering is backwards. All right, y'all, so the steering is backwards too, so I'm gonna have to look at the manual real quick and reset the throttle and the steering. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and reset it. So now we got the throttle working perfect and we got the steering working perfect. Left, right. Okay, now we're gonna try to start it and see what happens. Break in, y'all. Nitro Rustler break in. The brakes are a little better on here though. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, the brakes are a little better on the Rustler. Yeah, see it go through grass a little better too. Woo. Little 2.5 motor, y'all. Yeah, the brakes is definitely more better on the Rustler than the Jado. I could say that. I ain't gonna lie, the Rustler sound a little more quieter than the Jado. The Jado is more louder, I think. Yeah, you just want to do a quarter throttle though, man. You don't want to go full speed. Fresh break in. Just a quarter throttle. That's why I'm not going too crazy, y'all. This is fresh out the box. straight. Ooh, cut off. Yeah, I like the brakes on here though. It's bogging a little bit, I gotta back it out. She out of gas? I think she out of gas. So look, man. Look. I think she done ran out of gas. Put a little more fuel. That might have been why she was bogging. Uh-oh, what's going on now? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I think I might have fouled the glow plug or something, because now she is not turning on. So I might have fouled the glow plug. So we gotta see what's going on, because she's not cranking up. All right, y'all. So what had happened was that I had fouled out the glow plug. So I just changed the glow plug. Now we're gonna see if it start back up. We're gonna continue our break-in process. I'm gonna go in one time on a high speed. I'm going just a little bit. I'm going twice. That should be good right there. I think I'm gonna leave it right here for now though. Like that. One more. Alright, that's too lean. I mean that's too rich. Go back in one. All right, y'all, so pretty much got a tune pretty good, you know, just to be breaking in. That copy wheel standing in the grass. Yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think though, man, on the Rustler. It's just a break-in video, man. Got a tune pretty good for now. I like how I hit that grass and it be lifting up in that grass like a 450. Yeah, she tuned pretty good now. Definitely tuned pretty good. The idle good, everything good. Idle nice and steady. Y'all let me know which one y'all think better, the Nitro Rustler or the Jado I got. Y'all check my other main channel out too, man, Bride VTV, if y'all want to see the comparisons. If we gonna line them up, see which one is faster. Even though I think the Jado more faster. Yeah, I think the Jado a little more faster. I just like how this one get through that grass. Yeah, so y'all let me know what y'all think about the Nitro Rustler, man. Fresh out the box, first day breaking in process. like I said, man, y'all go check out Brian VTV, my main YouTube channel, you know what I'm saying? And we gonna run each car to see which one faster and which one better. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do the comparisons. But other than that, I already know the vibes, man.